Hey guys, in this video we'll be unboxing the HP K300 gaming keyboard and we'll do a full review on this product. Before that, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for getting latest notifications from my channel. So let's get started. As I said, you can see the HP K300 branding on the front and we can see all the features listed on the back side. First of all, this is not an RGB backlit keyboard and this one comes with a rainbow color backlighting. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. You can get this keyboard for less than 1400 rupees and it looks pretty solid and premium for a keyboard in this budget. Then we can see the warranty card, user manual and finally the product support info. On the back side of the keyboard, it comes with the height adjusting legs for giving better typing position. We can also see the product info and drain holes for making it spill proof. It comes with a matte-like finish and looks pretty solid and premium for a keyboard coming at this price range. The typing experience is really great with good feedback from the keyboard, and this is how it sounds when we type on this keyboard. It comes with the rainbow color backlighting which can be adjusted to 2 brightness levels and to the breathing mode. This is how it looks when compared with the backlighting of the HP Pavilion gaming laptop. Gaming experience is really up to the mark. It comes with 26 anti-ghosting keys and rainbow color backlighting for late night gaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also feel free to comment down your opinions. Thanks for watching.